What's going on, YouTube? I've got an exciting new video we're bringing your way, and it has something to do with this. That's right, Black Zenith is back in the shop and all finished up with its new setup. Over the winter time, we did a tremendous amount of changes. There'll be a separate video coming that overviews all of those, but in the short term, as you can tell, it's got a whole new turbo kit. We went with front facing. It's got a Zona rotor, new 9569S turbocharger, along with dual 38mm MVS wastegates from Tile. It's all custom fabricated here at Hochman Fabrication and Speed. I did it back in my old shop back at home. I will go ahead and shout out Boost in Performance. Thank you guys for all your help. It is a Boost in Performance Stage 3 full filled concrete block. It's got stainless steel O-rings with a receiver groove. The head is CNC machined, and we recently made 912 horsepower on their all-wheel drive Mustang dyno. So, as you know, the goal is to hunt for that 8-second pass, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. We're going down to Union Grove, Great Lakes Dragaway. They're opening at noon. We're going to make some shakedown passes and see if we can close that deal right now. So I've got Jacob with me right now. We're going to be heading out there, picking up the wife on the way. And I believe Shane is going to meet us later on as well, along with a handful of other people. So let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up. Head on out. So first pass, successful, 9-1 at 163, I think is what it was, but just trying to get the bugs out at this point after all the changes, make sure that it could make a clean pass, and really wasn't ready I thought I was ready, but now I'm ready. So now that all the jitters are out, we'll make another pass and hopefully hit that 8.
hoping for. We didn't get the 8 tonight, but we got close. Unfortunately, after 3 passes that were 9-1 back to back with 153, 158, nothing crazy as far as 60 foot. 163, consistent mile an hour. We ran a 9.2 after that, and then found that what we suspect to be all the teeth gone from the starter, unfortunately.